Hey there, crew. I'm about to start fabbing a transmission mount, but does that look square to you? That flat surface does not look square to me, right? It just doesn't. So if I make a square mount, am I gonna twist the engine? That just does not, I don't know what to you, but to me, that box is relatively square now, but the mount looks like it's on an angle. In fact, let me check. I have a checker here. 2.4 degrees. And that's how it looks to me. Okay, this is 0.3. So if that is 0.3, which is because of the car hoist. But for example, I'm looking at, what's that? At this end, 207 millimeters, and this side, see, 210. So at least that has been machined at least on a 3 millimeter angle. You can just see it with the naked eye. So what am I going to do? I guess if you had a rubber engine mount, that wouldn't make a big deal. But I'm not going to use a rubber engine mount, transmission mount, right? I'm not going to use it. So, or maybe I can use these instead. They would have to be square, surely. Maybe I can make a bracket out of those, using those. They go straight through, yeah. Let me think about it, and you will soon see what I decide to do. I'm just going to sit here and think a while. I would have been out here a couple of days ago, but no, I hurt myself too much when I put the laying underneath, putting the transmission cross member in. I really hurt my neck, and I wanted to come out yesterday. My wife said no. She said in too much pain, so you got to listen to her. So anyway, let me think about it a bit more, and we'll come to a decision. And hello again, crew. It's the next day, and health problems. It's the end of the day already. I'm just sitting down here studying the engine, possibly changing my mind about a motor plate. Not that I don't want it, but this engine has its problems when it comes to a motor plate. Let me show you why. Right? See, the oil filter, the motor plate would have to be bolted to these bolts or behind the front cover, timing cover. But this would be in the way of the plate. For starters, even the shorter version, I like the Z9 because it is a bigger filter. Why have a small filter if you can have a bigger one? But even if it's a smaller one, whatever model it is, it's still going to interfere. Now, this can be fixed with an adapter and having a remote filter installed, right? Everything is possible. I can put an elbow joint on the oil pressure gauge and have it coming out this way. Okay, that can be solved. But if I want to put a plate behind the timing cover, this here harmonic balancer also needs to come forward with everything else, which is fine because the pump would come forward, the pulleys would come forward, the alternator would come forward because they're all mounted to the cover. That is fine, right? This is not the harmonic balancer I'll be using, but this, like if I used like a 10mm plate, motor plate, that would mean if I brought this forward, it would hit, well, the bolts here to start with, and it would hit the harmonic balancer. So I would have to put a spacer behind the harmonic balancer of the same thickness, so that can be solved with like a washer, and then bolt it down. I am using a performance harmonic balancer, mind you, so I may pull this one off first and have a look and see what that looks like. I haven't, what is it? ATI. So I will do that first and see how the new harmonic balancer compares to. Whew, I got that sucker off. Man, that's hard to get. Even when you have a box full of different pulleys. That was a pain in the ass. Excuse my language, to get that one off. But anyway, now I'm free to put this one on and see how it compares. Firstly, we can compare the size. It's a few millimeters smaller in the outside diameter, and otherwise much the same. And then I've got the pulley to go on. So yeah, so as you can see, it's not going to make any difference to the bolts behind it, right? If this cover comes forward for a plate, these bolts will hit it. Now, like I said, oh, why? I don't care, put it back on. Battery level too low to use flash. Okay, sorry about that. So all I could do then is like put a washer behind the same thickness as the plate, behind the pulley, same shape as that, so that it moves forward with the cover. So the oil filter is a way of getting around it. There's a way of getting around the oil pressure gauge, and there is a way around the harmonic balancer. Next, I'll take the rest of this plate off, and we'll have another look at the chance of using a motor plate versus engine mounts. And we're back. And this is why I stopped driving it. Huh? Look at this crap. Chinesium. Guaranteed. Huh? Look at that shit. Not even old, man. This was like 5 or 6 years and it broke. There's hardly even any wear on it. That's just pathetic. Right? Excuse my cameraman. That's just terrible, man. I'm sorry, but that is shocking. That was brand new when I installed it, right? And it did this like 20,000, 30,000 kilometers. Some of these, look, some of these are made from aluminium and they have a strip. Why aren't they all like that? Hey? Why are some solid plastic? Why can they not all be steel or metal with a backing on it? Otherwise, actually the chain has survived pretty well. I thought it was a lot worse than this. So it wasn't just chain slap I could hear, it was mostly this piece of crap. Right? I wonder if the brand I purchased, what is it, Mellings, is any better. Would you like to see? I would. Now I'm confused, no, a bit confused, a little bit furious. Where are we? What's written on there? Yes, timing set. Hang on. Here we go. Same. All plastic, but oh wow, there's a big difference in weight. This feels like nylon. I wonder if this one had the steel inserts. Does it? Yes, there's a steel insert behind that. That's maybe what I heard rattle around in here, is the steel inserts. So I'm glad I stopped driving it. But why can't they not all be metal like this? I may put some adhesive behind the back of these, take these off, they're loose. I may put some adhesive behind there. I think that's a good idea. So yeah, I'm sad that they're still plastic though, because this part here, it's basically a direct copy, probably of the original. I don't know the brand name of this one. Engine Tech, I think it was, or something like that. Hopefully this is much better. It feels heavier. I mean, I know it's a smaller piece, but this feels so light. This is so light. Right? Does that work? Did I take a picture? What's the picture button? Oh well, I can take a screenshot later. But yeah, why can't they all be made of metal? Has this failed on anybody else? Anyone else of the crew have a problem with one of these? That's quite disappointing. Anyway, let's talk about the it is a nice surface for a motor plate. but I'm gonna call it a night. It's dark outside, and I hope I'll be feeling better tomorrow. So, thank you for watching. I much appreciate it. I like your feedback. I like your company, and I thank you very much. And please like and subscribe, and God bless to you all out there.